set. Cool. Band, you ready? GNN OBB, take 3. Action. May party sa resto. Good evening, everybody! Woo-hoo! All right. One thing I have to say is that I am new to this and I'm freaking out, but it's all right because it's our first time today. This is a pilot episode. Everybody, welcome to hashtag Gabi na naman with your host tonight in pajamas, Jericho Rosales. I just want to acknowledge our live audience tonight because kanina pa sila nakapila dito. I apologize for everyone waiting in line sa labas ng studio namin. I'm really, really sorry, but marami rin tong tao naghintay. Sobrang daming gustong pumasok dito kasi haba ng pila sa grocery, sa palengke. So I just want to give them an opportunity to say hello. Studio audience, are you guys having fun? Thank you. Oh my gosh. It's so much fun here in the house, in the studio, in Gabi na naman house. Anyway, kahit may social distancing lockdown, technology can bring us together. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, Paolo Avera and Drew Aureliano! Yeah, boy!
Thank you.
Okay, all right. Hey, bro. Papi
What's
Drew.
up?
Papi
What's
Pao.
up, man? I can just watch you all night, bro.
Sorry, I think I'm proper greeting yata is wo.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wo. Wo. Wo.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wo. Wo. Wo.
Whoa.
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 Saan ba nanggaling
Oh my
wo,
God.
bro? Saan ba nanggaling yung wo? Yung meron ba talagang banana language? Meron ba talagang dictionary?
Yeah, bro. You know how it started, right? One day, I was working out and then nagtimpla ako ng protein shake and I had to call you guys because nainom ko yung silica gel. After that day, it's like parang nagising ako na meron na akong superpowers and I can speak banana. And enough about me, man. I miss you guys. Like we have been working on the show for days now, and every morning lagi tayong nagchat-chat sa umaga. Yep. Okay. So this is we have a group and tawag sa amin ay the Brap Pack because we all like motorcycles. And you guys know the story. If you wanna see more pictures of us, puntahan niyo yung Instagram handle namin, the Brap Pack, and of course Drew's and Paolo's and mine. And we are all about motorcycles, traveling, good vibes, and friendship, and kape, at pagkain, at dagat, at kung ano-ano pa.
X.
Yo.
You want to talk about the inspiration behind this photograph? Bakit ba tayo parang may ngunguyain? Meron tayong parang may bango na papasok sa bibig natin. Ano ba yan, pare?
Paps, di ko alam. Ano nga ba yung kwento dito? Ano tayo nakagawa?
Kumakain tayo ng saging.
Kumakain tayo. Okay. What have you guys been busy lately? Okay, I know that Drew, that every you have Leon and you have Bossing Primo. Yeah, Pao, you have your man cave, you have your ANC, you're back, diba? But I want to know, guys, what have you been doing ngayong ECQ? Let's begin with Pao.
Well, eto, sa bahay lang.
Oh yeah, okay, good.
You know, but I think after the first few days, after the initial, trying to get used to just being at home, basically sort of try to find things to busy ourselves around the house with. There's always something to do, and alam mo naman yun yung hilig ko. I love to be a sort of handyman around the house. So kung ano-ano ang kinalikot ko dito sa bahay, fixing all sorts of things, and just generally staying out of the way of the women of the house. If you want to survive ECQ, basically you stay out of the way of the women in the house. Yun. Diba? Yan.
Tabi, kumbaga tabi.
As the most senior member here, please learn from me. Okay?
Okay, Kuya. Kuya, I heard that one day, di ba dun sa group natin, parang narinig ko, naglinis ka ng kanal?
Yes, medyo nagka-problema. Of all the times na pwede magka-problema ang plumbing dito sa bahay, I had a plumbing problem in the kitchen, which led me towards the outside of the house, towards the, what is it called? The grease trap. And I had to sort of fish out all of the solidified grease. Because who are you going to call to do that nowadays, you know?
Paolo Abrera.
Paolo Abrera, ladies and gentlemen.
So wait, this whole time, Paolo.
No. I was gonna say, I mean, that's pretty much what it is around here. You know, you find things to keep yourself busy, and that's what it's all about.
I know, and one of the things that will keep you busy is your canal. Okay.
That's right.
Papi Drew, ikaw, anong pinagkakaabalahan mo lately? How long has it been? How many weeks have we been at home? 7 weeks?
We're on our 7th week, brother.
7th week.
So parang pareho din. Wow. Pareho din siguro kay Pao, no? Kanal, pero ear canal. Mahilig ako. Mahilig ako ng tenga. Pero bukod sa pag-aalaga at, pag-bonding time kasama ng mga kids, pati yung aking asawa. Di ba, alam naman natin na, syempre, katulad na sinasabi ni Pao na parang imposibleng magiging bored ka. Kasi parang ang dami mong pwedeng gawin sa bahay. At unti-unti lumalabas lang to.
Yeah.
Dahil nga, nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay. Biglang, pwede ko palang gawin yun. Teka, pwede ko palang ayusin yun. Teka lang, pwede ko nga i-organize yun. Teka lang, meron ako palang pwede gawin. So, katulad na sinabi ni Pao, parang it's hard to be bored. You just really have to be creative. At the same time, you really have to be beside your wife na nakaganyan lang at nagsasabi na parang, come on, you have to clean your office/closet.
Did you say closet? Or did you say closet something?
Because I'm actually gonna be, I'm a closet queen, and then right now it is my perfect time to tell everyone.
Kaya ka pala naka-pink.
No, but thank you so much. This is gonna be like a brief, but thank you so much for guesting. You're the second guest of Drew's Closet. For people don't know, Drew's second ghost. You're like, but para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Drew's Closet is walang kakwentang show na ako lang talaga yung nagmamando. Ako lang yung admin. At sa show na yun ay binibenta nga namin yung mga bagay-bagay na nandun na sa closet sa closet ko at closet ng mga guests natin. At lahat ng proceeds nga ng nabibenta natin ay nabibigay natin sa charity of choice ng ating guests.
Yeah, correct. That's bro, awesome. Sobrang ganda nun because sobrang daming tao ngayon talaga yung nahihirapan. And yung mga hindi napapansin kasi yung nasa film and TV industry, di ba? Na parang sinasabi nila na hindi masyadong importante yan, alam mo yun. But it's really important for your soul. Like, pagdating ng mga special moments sa buhay natin, nandiyan ang entertainment, nandiyan ang TV, nandiyan ang media, nandiyan. And I cannot agree to that idea, and I believe that kahit anong trabaho mo nga, sinasabi natin sa gabi na naman, this is you, this is like you are important. meron ako, Paps, meron kaming nahanap na isang Facebook group. Okay? Facebook group na feeling ko makaka-relate tayo. Kasi ako siguro mga 3 beses ako lumabas ng papunta ng bumili ng grocery. Sinamahan ko si Kim, saka sila Jessica, sila Wilman, Rick, and bumili kami. Okay? Pero hindi ko kinailangan pumunta ng palengke. Although I miss it. Pero alam mo yun, parang sabi ko, uy, okay pa ako ngayon kasi medyo hindi ako nagpunta ng palengke. Pero Paps, magugustuhan niyo itong grupo na to. Play video.
Go. Tama yan.
Saklap. Samahan ng mga asawang kailangang lumabas papuntang palengke. Saklap, mga kaibigan. Yan ang bagong Facebook group na ating... Pare, iba tong grupo na to. I mean, galing, di ba? Umanap ka ng makakaramay mo. Yan ang magandang isang ECQ na. Okay, what did you guys think about that? Have you ever stumbled upon Saklap?
I haven't seen Saklap in person, but I am well aware of the phenomenon of husbands who are going to the supermarket for the first time and trying to follow a list and trying to find the items na clueless naman sila, wala silang kamalay-malay kung ano ba talaga yung mga bagay na yon that are on the list na binigay sa kanila.
It's like parang kang alien. Parang alien, diba? Paps, ikaw, Drew, you bring food to your mom every day, you said, di ba?
Not every day now.
I mean, it's okay, because laging mali-mali talaga information ko, so it's okay.
3 times a day. 3 times a day. No. We picked my mother-in-law already, so she's staying here with us now. So at least I don't have to, bring food 2 kilometers away every so often, no? But
so now you just bring it to the next room.
I bring it to the next room, pare.
Okay.
And I think that, of course, her grandkids are happier that she's here also, diba? So
nice.
Yeah, that's great, bro. Because of that, meron tayong guest tonight. Tinawagan ko yung leader ng Saklap.
Yan.
Yung leader ng Saklap, Paps, meron siyang binibigay sa atin na free membership kung gusto natin. Basta makapag-guest daw siya dito sa gabi na naman. Anyway, is he in? Is Danny Fernandez here?
Hello, good evening, mga idol.
Hi,
Danny.
Welcome to Gabi na naman. And kamusta ka? Nakapag-grocery ka na ba?
Yes, good evening. Of course, kahapon pa sinamantala natin yung pagpalayang araw kahapon. Nakipagsabayan tayo. Pero nakaraos naman tayo sa pamamalengke pag-grocery natin. Salamat sa it's very an honor for me to be part of the episode 1 ng Gabi na naman.
Hindi, Paps, kami, saludo kami sa'yo, si Drew, Pao, and alam namin na na isang napakagandang bagay yung sinimulan mo. Kasi, di ba? Yan, para sa'yo.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.
Anyway, wala nang so, paano mo naisip yung paisip na i-form yung group?
Actually, hindi ko naman talaga to pinlano. Hindi ko rin in-expect na
Okay, Danny. Thank you so much kung ganun.
Okay, thank you.
Joke lang.
Yan,
Stay with us, Dan.
May konting talent tayo sa script writing and copywriting during my early career. And
that's nice.
Nakaisip ako na maglaro-laro ng mga acronyms, and so minsan isang araw na pagtripan kong gumawa ng acronym para sa mga epic fails ng mga tatay habang sila muna yung mag-isa na nasa palengke or grocery. So yung mga hugot na kapalpakan ng mga asawa, parang masaklap na experience, parang gano'n. Then after ko ma-feature sa isang news program, nakita ko na wow, talagang ang dami nakaka-relate. Marami pala kaming pare-parehas ng ganong experience. Then, may mga friends ako na gawa ka kaya ng group. Parang support group. Lahat ng mga may masasaklap na experience sa pagiging alay. Tawag din namin alay ng tahanan eh. Pagsama-sama. So doon ko naisip gumawa ng parang online community. Doon kami magkakakwentuhan, ng mga kapalpakan namin mga mister, kapag kami ang pinakawalan sa palengke, gawing alay ng tahanan during this pandemic. So parang doon nagsimula, Idol.
Hindi naman kayo pinapagalitan ng mga asawa niyo habang pinag-uusapan niyo kapalpakan niyo online, Paps. Okay lang.
Actually, naging siya marami kaming mga members din na tinatawag lista. Yun yung liga ng mga ina na suportado mga tatay na alay. Lista. Sila yung tagagawa ng lista.
Tapos, ano siya?
Lista. Idol, oo. Sila yung nandun din sa group namin, parang naging affiliate group namin. Kino-correct yung mga mali namin pagkakaintindi dun sa listahan namin. Kaya nandun din sa group. Kaya puro, masaya yung sharing ng mga experiences talaga.
Okay, anong sabi nung mga commander natin dito sa movement na ginawa mo?
Well, una, kasi parang nakaka-relate din sila eh. Bukod sa kami na masaklap dahil dati nagtatrabaho kami, most of the members 8x5 yung work, o kaya nagda-drive, o kaya nasa construction, etc. Ngayon, kami yung nandun sa palengke, kailangan naming mag-step up, kumbaga. Hindi pwede yung mga dampot-dampot style. Tawag nga namin ng DDS, dampot-dampot style. Wala nang specs, wala nang size, wala nang kulay. Sige,
basta may maiuwi, 'di ba, Danny? Just don't come home empty-handed.
Nakalagay sabon, sige, sabon. Bahala
kahit
na
anong sabon yan.
Pero meron ding meron ding 'di ba, Pops, tao yung pag parang feeling mo, hindi, binili ko na nga pero pag uwi mo mali ka, pero mali ka pa rin. Pag mali ka talaga eh, 'di ba?
Hindi, kung nakalagay dyan sabon, kahit na sabon. Kung carpet shampoo yan, nakalagay shampoo, carpet shampoo inuwi mo, babanatan mo yan. Pari, bapang shampoo mo yan, paninindigan mo yan. Eto ang tanong ko, Danny.
Yes.
May tanong si Pao. Danny, ano ba yung worst fail? What's a perfect example na kunyari nilista si Mrs. tapos completely from another planet yung naiuwi mong bagay? What's the worst fail that you ever had?
Yan, maraming nakaka-relate din sa worst fail ko eh. Yung pag-uwi mo sa bahay, hindi ka naman bumili ng panike, pero yung unang itatanong ni Mrs., ba't ito? Patay na. Kasi bumili ako akala ko, 1 galong hand soap yung nabili ko. Di pinaglalagay na sa mga smaller containers. Pagdating nung gagamitin na, hand sanitizer pala. Kaya yun.
All right, Danny, this is a phone-in question of Olives. He's a fan of the show. Mahilig siya sa, syempre lahat kami nagmomotor, no? 'Di ba? Mahilig kami Audi Teodoro kasi mga hindi lang marathon, pati cannonball, pati mga Ironman, ganyan. So question nila ay ano ang pinakamabilis na o sino ang may record ng pinakamabilis na time na nag-grocery at ang pinaka-longest time?
Ang pinaka-shortest, mga 10 seconds lang yata kasi nakalimutan yung pambayad. Pero Mabilis lang yung mga minutes to 15 minutes, lalo na pag malapit lang yung talipapa. Pero yung longest time, inaabot ng 3 to 4 hours.
So ano ba, anong top tips mo, Danny?
Miyembro na ngayon ng Kasaklap, na-realize nila na we have to embrace the new normal Yung sa family setting pa lang, dati tagabuhat ka. So yung mga ganung bagay, kailangan matutunan mo yun. Even after the ECQ, tuloy lang ang pagiging alay ng tahanan ng mga tatay siguro. Although there's a negative connotation on the saklap, pero ang tingnan natin yung the humor side of it or yung mga funny moments and experiences para good vibes lang lagi.
Yeah, ang ganda nun, bro. Sobrang.
Thank you.
Ganda nun, bro. Ganda. Sobrang ganda. Danny, we want to thank you for we loved having you here and maraming salamat sa shinare mo sa amin. But before that, Danny, obviously we wish you all the best, no? I mean, pati dun sa saklap, pati dun sa lista, pati dun sa DDS, mabuhay kayong lahat. Isa kayong mga magigiting na mga batang palengke. But aside from that, magkaka-baby ka. Paps, Drew, magkaka-baby siya, bagong baby, Paps.
Uy.
Family, Paps. Congratulations and we wish you all the best, my friend. We will be watching you, we'll be following you. Keep up the good work, my man. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Thank you, Idol.
Meron kang gustong pasalamatan? May gusto kang batiin?
Yeah, very quick shout-outs
lang. Sige, text mo na lang sila. Joke lang. Bro,
quick shout-outs lang for my Buklod MME, such my family in the church. Nagalag sa aming tropang gala. Next year na tayo dahil ECQ. Tropang kulon. Kapi tayo minsan ulit. My Dad Tribe PH and Tatays of Manila. They have a very good Facebook group. Maria Spad, my wife's tropa. Boss, Idol Andrew, pinupuntahan nila yung mga pinupuntahan mo din sa isa mong program. One time, nag-Bangkok sila, kaya lang yung in-interview mo noon na old fella, he passed away. Pero they tried to look for that guy Pero, well, nasabi ko lang.
Sige lang, Mel, labas mo lang lahat.
Ito pala, Mel, yung sabi ni Mr. mo, wala raw baking flour sa palengke kanina.
Walang sisihan, wala talaga.
Yan And last, my friends from PAK LAP and Demo X Maneuvers and si Alan kasama dito. Kamusta raw, Idol? Nakasama mo siya sa dating sa gym sa Marcos Highway. Idol Eco. Yun lang.
Oo, naalala ko yun. Pati yung mga nakasabay ko dun sa jeep dati sa Marcos Highway. Naalala ko lahat yan. Binabati ko kayo.
Kamusta raw?
Danny, thank you for being game. Thank you for being amazing. And idol ka namin, tol. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Dahil dyan, ito para sa'yo.
Maraming salamat.
All right,
family,
Danny, thank
my
you.
My wife, thank you so much. My parents in Laguna, my wife and my kid, thank you for supporting me.
Okay. God bless you, Danny. And sleep well tonight. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli, kapatid. Mabuhay ka. Here's a banana for you.
Here's a papaya for you, Idol. Woo!
Sarap yan, my favorite.
Pao, kailangan mo yung papaya na yan, Pao.
Yun. That's where my papaya went.
All right, everybody. That was Danny Fernandez for you of Saklap. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Danny. Thank you so much for everything that you have shared with us tonight. Mga katoto, kung kailangan nyo ng suporta, alam nyo na kung saan sila hanapin. Saklap, SAKLAPP. Share your own palengke versus grocery experiences. Comment na dito, of course. And comment on grocery items na parang mahirap bilhin ngayon. Ngayon naman, magkakaubusan ng... Ano yan? Magkakaubusan ng gatas ng baka. Okay. Okay. Mabuti pa kunin natin tonight ang feedback ng mga boss. Okay? Pag sinabi kong boss, alam nyo na kung sino yung tinutukoy ko. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, nanginginig na ang mga gwapo't macho dito. Nanginginig sa excitement dahil miss na nila ang mga misis nila dahil ilang minuto na silang hindi nagkakasama. Ladies and gentlemen, ang boss ni Paolo, si Suzy.
Uy, eto na pala. Kasama ka na pala, honey.
Oh my God. Istorbo. Nanonood ako ng show ni Echo. Ayun!
Hi, Suzy! Nanonood ka ba? Kamusta? Enjoy ka ba?
Oo, super. At syempre, may mga nagpapa-shoutout na sa akin. Inutusan pa talaga nila ako. Hi, Meg and Gemma. Mga fans
Meg
mo
and
sila.
Emma, how are you guys?
Gemma and Gemma.
Oh, yun. Gemma. Wait, si Gemma ba yung na-meet ko dun sa bayo nyo?
Yes, exactly.
Si Emma.
Yay!
See, I remember everyone.
Tapos si Meg na sister ko, mga tropa ko yung dalawang yan. Kaya they're watching tonight. And Irene is also watching. Hi, everyone. Hi, Papa.
You know what? May kiss.
Na-miss ko agad. Nahiwalay ako. Nasaan si Ian? Nagpasunod ng bata.
Papi Drew, nainggit ako eh. Of course, tatawagin natin si Iya. But before that, we wanted to have a little chat with you. Mommy Z. Okay. Before ECQ, your daily routine daw is to wake up early, work all day, then sa gabi na lang nagkikita. Pareho kayo, di ba? Ganun yun, di ba? Ngayon,
hindi naman everyday ganun, yeah. Hindi naman everyday work all day. Oh, depende.
Yeah, I mean, you know what? Dito sa gabi na naman, everybody knows that my information is wrong. So it's okay. Okay.
At least Suzy, consistent. It's inaccurate.
I know, right? I know. So, may question kami dito. Si Papi Pao daw ba marunong maghugas ng plato?
Super galing.
Super galing.
Yep.
Anong ang record niya ilang plato sa isang minuto? Ang nababasag
In fairness, ako yung nakakabasag. Si Pao, wala po masyado nababasag to in fairness Pero mga plastic kasi yung mga plato namin dito. But
okay,
si
parang
Pao,
kantin lang
Di ba? Oh.
Pero yung paper plates, natutunaw pala yun pag inugasan. So wag na gawin yun.
All right. I mean, someone wants to join in. Sali siya dito sa saya. I mean, this woman is amazing. We worked before sa I Dare You, and ito yung isa sa kilala kong tao na wala kang kaarte-arte sa katawan. Tama ba, Papi Drew? Mukhang nanginginig ka na.
Hindi kasi nag-CR umihi
yun ang mga nangyari dito pag live, di ba?
Ganun talaga.
Ang dami po.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Teka, ako naman
si Iya!
Ako naman yung iihi
Okay, go.
You know.
Tonight featuring the Arellano Bladders.
Okay, I'm here.
Hi!
I'm here. I'm here, guys.
Hey,
guys!
Pards! How are you, Pards?
Pasensya na kasi alam mo naman kapag buntis.
I know.
Wiwi ng wiwi.
Ilang months ka pregnant ngayon?
Almost 7 months. On Monday, Pards. 7 months
7 months yan? 7 months yan?
Amazing. Grabe.
Oh my goodness, I feel like a whale.
Whale na ba yan? Kung whale ka, ano na lang yung iba? Mundo?
You're fitter than all of us. Grabe.
Ay nako,
Grabe.
wala akong ginawa ngayon kundi kumain. Kung ano na lang pwedeng kainin dyan,
Nang ginatang bilo-bilo.
guys. Oh my goodness, ang hirap. Ang hirap
Try mo to.
magpigil.
Banana.
Ayan!
Mm-mm.
Healthy.
Alam mo, Pards,
Yo.
yung unang pregnancy ko kay Primo, nasobrahan ako sa saging, na ngayon yung bata, takot na takot sa saging.
No way.
Akala ko hindi na siya pinupulikat.
Pwede rin.
Sana
Saan nagpunta si Drew?
ganun eh.
Umihi?
Oh,
Kasi totoo.
buntis din kasi yun eh.
Okay, Pards, how are you? How have you guys been dealing with the ECQ and everything? Is everything okay? And how are you dealing with this?
Doing all right, I think, as best as we can. Pero syempre, parang nagkasanayan din na patagal ng patagal. Pero ika nga ng nanay ko, hindi ka naman mauubusan ng gagawin sa bahay. Ever.
Kami naman, yeah,
How about
we're good. We're good in the hood here. Actually, alam mo, parang I've come to enjoy, well, one of the things that I've come to enjoy about ECQ is that ito si Drew sa umaga, hindi na siya nagmamadali papuntang gym.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's something that I've really been enjoying because we all wake up together kasama yung may mga anak namin. Di ba kapag yung mga, lalo na kapag toddler, yung pagbagong gising yung medyo nanlalata pa sila, yung medyo nangihina pa sila. Yun yung masarap eh. So, we get to wake up to that every morning and then we just take our time now. Hindi katulad ng dati.
Always rushing.
Oo, pareho kami. May call time na mga 10:30. So, kailangan makapag-workout kami. Kailangan tapos kami mag-workout by like 9:30 kasi we have to get home, take a bath.
Dati 4:30 in the morning or 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, because I remember before, Paolo had to wake up at 3 a.m. every day. 3 a.m., no, Paolo?
Hindi naman. Mga 3:30, there was a time. But I think this is what you're getting at. Parang, previously, before ECQ, I mean, Susie's regular schedule was ganyan. 3 o'clock.
I leave the house dapat by 4:30 in the morning every day for the past 20 years.
So, actually, between the four of us, at some point, lahat kami dumaan sa call time na ganyan.
Exactly.
Yes,
we all had a turn doing a morning show.
That's true. That's right. Iya also. Everybody.
And then, anong oras kayo nagwawalis tsaka nagsisiga?
1 a.m.
Oo nga, no? Hindi na nga bumunga yung mga mga puno namin dito dahil wala na nagsisiga dahil wala na tao sa bahay.
Speaking of nagsisiga, nanawagan po ako dun sa mga nagsisiga dun sa dito po sa may gilid sa may Marikina. Huwag na po kayo magsiga ng mga dahon kasi po masama po, nasisinghot po ng mga kabataan at kung ano-ano at nagkakalat ng uling. Anyway, yun lang. Bigla nagkaroon ng concern bigla. Naalala ko kasi may lumilipad na itim. Every week may lumilipad na mga itim na mga parang kung ano-ano. Sabi, ano ba to? Ano nangyari dito? Tapos yun. Anyway, kamusta yung mga, kasi kanina guest namin mga saklap, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo yun. Si Danny. May masasabi ba kayo sa grocery skills ni Drew tsaka ni Pao? Sino ba nag-grocery dito? Sila?
Normally, girls. Ako, Normally yung girls.
Can I just I grew up joining my dad to grocery. We'd go to every Saturday. So I'm also a grocery. Love you, Baba. But I'm also a grocery guy. I love going to the grocery.
He doesn't normally have the time to.
Yeah.
So ako yung normally talaga na nag-grocery.
Yan ang mag-asawa talaga. Nagsusuportahan. Yan
ako
talaga
pag nag-grocery, si Paolo naman nasa hardware. So we cover both bases, di ba? Parang yung mga kailangan supply ng mga bumbilya o kung ano ng mga sa bahay. Nandun siya habang ako naman nasa grocery. So tag team.
On the times na sinabayan ko si Susie sa grocery, syempre, you want to pitch in, di ba? Do you want me to get something else from the other aisle? She politely says naman, yeah, go ahead and push the cart. Pero actually, gigil na gigil siyang paalisin na lang ako para siya na lang ang mag-isa para matapos na ng mas mabilis.
May system kasi ako na sinusunod. So parang pag nawala dun sa sistema, tatagal to.
Basically, para lang may feeling ako, hindi nako-contribute ako.
Alam mo, feeling ko, it will reach a point wherein both partners will understand na parang, he needs to do his thing. She needs to do her own thing. We need some space together so that we can live harmoniously, So
right.
It can't be together all the time.
At saka parang everybody's got their own forte. So ibigay mo na dun sa tao na mas magaling naman siya dun eh.
Speaking of like groceries and hardware and everything, okay, I want to play a game. Let's play a game. Are you guys okay with that?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, everybody, we're going to play a game, and this one, we called it Careful Whisper.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Careful Whisper. I'll announce the teams, okay? So, ang teams natin ay sila Drew and Paolo, kayo yung magkakampi, okay? And Susie and Iya. Ito yung mechanics natin. Each person magpapahula ng 3 words, okay? These are grocery items na madalas ninyong bilihin. Okay? And within 2 minutes, paramihan ng mahuhulaan na words. At pag nahulaan nyo ang lahat, the best time wins. Okay? Okay.
You're going down. You know it.
No, I see Tito said actually already.
Ang catch nito, para sa mga magpapahula, you have to deliver the lip sync in a certain way. Okay? So for Drew and Paolo right now, ang gagawin natin, unahin natin si Drew and Paolo, you have to do a lip sync na sexy. For example, ako, hulaan niyo ang sasabihin ko.
Uy.
Okay na.
Ano yun?
Kita mo, sila parang puzzle. Kami ni Drew, alam namin eh.
Ano yun?
Kamyote.
Yeah!
That's not even a real word.
It is actually.
Banana language, baby. Okay, are you guys ready to play the game, Paolo and Drew?
Ready.
Put your face closer to the camera and talk dirty to me.
Drew, ready. Item number 1.
Ay, ano pa ba naman yan? Gusto mo bang konting translation, saging? Banana yan.
Very good! Very good! Very good! May time pa tayo. Another one. So,
ready?
Hindi ko na yung timer. 2 minutes dapat yan eh. Go, Paps!
Montesilio ang lumabas sa bibig mo pero hindi yan yun. I know. It must have been a brand, but I guess not.
Isa pa. One more. Ready?
Ay, nako. Borneo. Galing ka pa sa Borneo.
Borneo?
Okay.
Ano ka ba? Naka-quarantine tayo ngayon.
Ito, ibahin natin. A different item.
Okay.
Ha?
Baste? Namaste.
Yoga.
One last time, ha?
Okay.
20 seconds.
Mustard.
Oh! Is that correct? Is that correct?
Bustard.
The Godfather. Grocery list of The Godfather.
6, 5, 4,
Bustard.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Custard.
Mustard. Custard.
Pasta.
Pasta na masarap with
Okay,
mustard.
teka, wala tayong sa listahan ko. Okay.
Si Drew, ipapahula naman kay Paolo. Okay? Ready? Papi Drew, ready? Girls, relax lang ha. Darating yung time ninyo. Mas maganda to.
Teka lang. Okay, game.
Ready? Papi Drew, timer starts now.
Talaga to.
Buti na lang nagsalamin ako. Nababasa
May time ka.
I'm just kidding. Oh, sige. Ito na lang. Ito.
Huh?
You want my body.
One word?
Anchovies.
Ang haba.
Sa totoo lang, I'm just making words because the list is actually inside my phone and we're actually using our phone for the live coverage. Hold on. This is it.
Huh?
Gatas.
Oh, yeah. Next word. You have 1 minute. You have 1 minute. Sexy, huh? You have to say it in a sexy way. Parang sentence yung sinasabi mo, hindi naman word yan. Sentence yan eh.
Kailangan ba word?
Word lang. One word lang.
Okay.
I'm not sure kung ano yun, pero dalawahin mo na, pare.
30 seconds.
Pandesal.
Is it correct, pandesal?
Mantikilya.
Man.
Oh,
One more word.
Tagalog.
Ito.
Spanish.
Mas madali.
15 seconds.
Itlog.
Yes.
So how many points for the boys?
Itlog.
They got 2 points. The boys got 2 points. All right.
Altogether 3.
Altogether 3. Kasi itlog, dalawang itlog isa.
Hindi, nakuha ni Drew yung saging Banana,
saging,
itlog, gatas.
Banana, itlog, gatas. Tatlo. Guys, actually,
harina na lang kulang, banana bread na yan.
That's so true.
All right, it's girls' time. Okay. Speaking of girls, I want to say hi to Kim. She's watching right now. Hi, Kim.
Hi,
Thank you so much for guesting on the show.
Hi, dear
She messaged our group na kanina. Get well soon, Kim.
I know. Dalawang toast niya nabali. Anyway, what a real doggy mama.
True.
Si Mama, parang hindi tama yun. Anyway. Mali na naman. Anyway,
welcome
girls,
to Saklap. Welcome to Saklap, X.
It's your turn, girls. Iya, ipapahula mo kay Suzy, okay? Because you are so beautiful. The way you're going to say it is that you have to not show your teeth. Gets?
Huh?
You have to say it in a way. For example, like this.
Like that?
Like this.
Show your teeth.
You have to not show your teeth.
You have to not show your teeth. You can't show your teeth. I mean, you have to show your teeth while saying it.
You have to show your teeth.
You have to show your teeth while saying it.
You can't show your teeth.
Like that?
Pwede na. Gusto nyo ganda na lang? Kasi ganda na lang tayo.
You're not show your teeth.
Pwede naman, ganda na lang tayo eh. Okay, ready? Parts, ready?
Ang hirap nun!
No,
yung sa'yo, Iya, yung sa'yo, kailangan nakalabas yung ngipin. Yung kay Mami Zoo, mamaya yung gano'n. Wala namang ngipin. Okay? Ready? Okay, Iya, your timer starts now.
Milk?
Ipis. Parang ipis.
Okay, that's next.
Ipis.
What? You can't see it. Toothpaste.
No, it's a grocery item, so it's food. It's food.
Oh, it's food.
Yeah. Galing sa baka.
Cheese.
Yes!
Tomato.
Tomato galing sa baka.
Sabi ko kaya sinabi mo galing sa baka. Teka. Alam ko yung tomato galing sa lupa.
Okay. Eto.
You don't get your news from me, okay?
Parang borloloy eh. Borloloy. Catbola.
Apple.
Okay, 40 seconds.
Cheese. Yan yung cheese.
Parang churi eh. Churi. Uy.
Orange juice?
Ayo, iba talaga yung mga Australiano, no? Iba yung mga Australiano.
Did you get it? Is it orange juice?
Orange. It was orange.
Orange.
Juice.
Well, you still have 17 seconds. You got 3 points already.
Ay, teka, ano ba to? Kala ko ba...
Corn?
Pictionary na ito nangyayari.
Oo nga eh. I was gonna say soft drinks, pero binubuksan ng ganun.
Time's up. What was it?
Carrots. Ang hirap naman kasi.
Ano siya?
Pero diba, ang ganda ninyo. You were fairly white.
Carrot. Diamante.
Carrot.
Man, that was hard.
Yung carrot.
Carrots patswa.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh my goodness. Good luck, Mars.
Suzy, it's your turn. Your version is you can't show your teeth.
Oh my goodness.
Your version is nakatalikod ka daw.
Kailangan mo ilapit yung mukha mo ng ganyan. Pero pag, kailangan mo sabihin sa kanya, pahuhulaan mo sa kanya kung ano yung word. Kailangan ano lang, madali lang okay? Ready?
Okay.
Timer starts now. 3, 2, 1, now.
Freaking could be anything.
Palaka.
Fair.
Palaka.
Fair.
Palaka.
Fair.
Palaka.
Spam.
Palaka.
Spam.
Palaka.
Spam.
Ham.
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 Clam.
Parang lahat starts with an M pag naganto, di ba?
Di ba?
Ma'am.
Bumili ka ng ma'am. Next.
Nako. Di talaga.
Kokak.
one.
Okay, wait. I'm not gonna give up.
Kokak.
I can't. Snacks.
Wala nangyari.
Sauce.
Pictionary na talaga. Pictionary.
Pasta.
Susunod, wala.
Sinandok sauce. Ano yan? Anong sauce? Sabaw? Sinigang mix?
Okay lang yan, naging pictionary.
Suka.
Hindi.
Next.
Ang sakit na ng pangako.
Caviar. Parang caviar.
Oh my God.
This is impossible.
This is crazy.
It is impossible.
All right.
This is impossible.
5, 4,
Master Pony.
3.
Oh my gosh. Evaporated milk.
Spaghetti.
Time's up. Tawan-tawa ako kay Drew.
Milk, sugar, and spaghetti.
Oh my gosh.
Bili mo yung milk, ganito yung itsura.
Oo nga.
Pero,
lahat
Kung sa grocery, sasabihin mo dun sa tindera, pabili nga ng...
Di ba?
Di ba ba alam yung...
Ito yung lesson that we can all learn.
Okay.
Kung ang dalawang babae hindi magkaintindihan, girl to guy kaya, mas matindi pa ang miscommunication, di ba?
Lalo na kung walang ngipin. Lalo na kung isa sa amin walang ngipin.
It's either...
Tapos yung isa sa amin, di ba, puro ngipin lang.
Pero nga, ito ngayon. Yan talaga yung realization nyo. Yan yung conclusion na umabot tayo dyan. Hindi tayo kailangan magsalita. Kailangan language of love lang talaga.
Tama.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Guys, I have a question. Before you guys were like super game. Salamat, thank you. But on that note, since medyo lumalalim na yung ang goal ko dito kasi syempre lumabas kayo dito na magkaibigan kayo, hindi kayo magkaaway, di ba? Na mas maayos yung relationship ninyo. I asked the boys before this question, the same question. Ano ba ang gusto ninyo sa isang partner? Fan ninyo o kritiko ninyo?
I remember this question. A good mix of both.
For
ang hirap pag puro fan
wala
lang
bang sasagot
kasi...
dito ba gano?
Ang hirap pag puro fan lang kasi baka hindi na siya objective tapos parang feeling mo ang galing-galing mo pero hindi pa na sa totoong buhay. Pero yung fan mo, rara lang siya ng rara para sa'yo. Pag masyado namang kritiko naman, nakakawalang gana naman tsaka nakakawala ng loob. So, if it's a good mix of both, di ba? Siyempre, our partners are our best cheerleaders also, especially when we're feeling down. Tapos syempre, when we want naman na objective sana na comment sa mga ginagawa namin, syempre yung partner din namin yung pupuntahan din namin. Kaya a good mix of both. Can't be just one or the other, I think.
But that's the thing. That's what I answered to Jericho. And then sabi niya, sorry, Pops.
Oh, you
kailangan one answer lang. Sabi ko, grabe naman, ang hirap naman nito. Siyempre fun. No.
Kami kasi syempre ni like for us being like ganun nga kung kritiko mo dito sa bahay, healthy yun di ba? Pero tama yung sinabi ni I agree with Mama Zoo, you know what I mean? The right balance, di ba? May sinabi si Mr. Ryan Agoncillo sa atin sa thread. Sabi niya basta totoo lang, di ba? Sabi ni Ryan kasi si Ryan lang ang totoo. So sabi niya basta totoo lang. We want to say hi to Ryan Agoncillo and Julian
Santos.
We want to say hi to Odyssey Flores, Sunshine Flores. We want to say hi to Sydney Maderaso and Kat Maderaso, all dun sa Baler, and Todi Teodoro and Carla Teodoro and Javi Olives and Hannah Olives. We want to say hi to you guys. We love you.
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
What's up for you guys?
Drew, Pao, Iya, and Ma'am Zoo, do you guys have anything to promote before I kiss you guys goodbye?
Abangan nyo kami dyan sa May Festival Mall. Char.
Sabi ko, wow, binuksan na lang.
May mall show.
Mall show. Pero ikaw
lang. Tinapos mo na yung ECQ? Is there anything that you guys are promoting, like a cause that you're that you're involved with, like anything you wanna anyone you wanna say hi to?
Actually, I do. We have okay, go ahead, Pao.
Well, ako, abangan nyo na ako dun sa Imbornal na pinag-usapan natin sa Ricardo. Nilinis ulit ako ng Imbornal namin. Yun lang naman.
If you need any plumbing services, can we, would you like to, number mo, Pao?
09.
Hanapin mo lang dun sa...
Lagay mo sa poste. Go! Wow! Wow! Ano to? Para tayo... Astronaut!
Ba't naalog?
Para tayo astronaut! Ano nangyari dito?
Pare, you rock my world.
Hindi, alam mo, kasi yun talaga yung mga natutunan natin dito sa ECQ. Kailangan mabilis tayo mag-adjust.
Exactly.
This
is the new normal.
Sabi nga nila, babalitan yung mundo mo. Ito na yun.
So, guys, I want to thank you for guesting on the show. I love you guys.
Thank you!
It's so
We
great
love you,
to look at you like upside down. Ang sarap pala ng paligid ng mundo. Okay.
Thanks for having us on.
I love you guys. Ian,
Love
Suzy, Pao, Drew, love you.
Congratulations. Congratulations, X.
Thank you, man.
Hi to Kimmy. Congratulations,
I will.
X.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night.
Have a banana. Enjoy.
We will.
Bye.
Bye.
I'd like to say thank you to my friends again, to my amazing team. So, what do we do now? It's already 11:04 and gusto ko man na extend pa tong haul natin baka mapuyat na kayo, but I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ultimate haul place ninyo ngayong ECQ. This means a lot to me, and to be able to spend time with you, to make you laugh, make you smile. So ito yung pagdadamayan nating lahat. So maraming salamat for supporting #Gabi na naman, for using the hashtag, for actually making friends doon sa chat room at sa lahat, and every amazing thing that's been happening. I want to say thank you to Kim Jones for the lighting and the art direction. Can I show your face? No. She's nakasaklay siya ngayon kasi nabali yung dalawang daliri niya sa paa. But I want to thank her for that. Okay, and I also again want to thank everyone. I want to thank my amazing team for making this happen. I want to thank Flo Ferrer. I want to thank Maine Manalansan. I want to thank Kuya Alan, Tita Marines. You guys there. You guys are amazing. I want to thank everyone here in the house, and all of you, thank you. This has been amazing. This has been great. I just wanted to remind you that during these times, guys, mararamdaman nyo na medyo mag-isa kayo o talagang feeling nyo wala kayong kasama. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi talagang hindi naman kayong nag-iisa. Tumingin lang kayo sa likod nyo, may tao dyan sa likod nyo. Joke lang, wala yan. Okay. Anyway, kapit lang, and watch out for more #Gabi na naman posts. I love you guys. Maraming salamat. We're all in this together, and hanggang sa muli. Kung gusto nyo pa yung show, comment lang, but I'll see you again on Saturday. I love you guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Good night.